Hi everyone, my name is Pineapple Pixie. Welcome to my channel. Today I am unboxing and reviewing the NEEWER 18-inch ring light kit. To the right of the screen are all the items included in the kit, and I will list them below. The carrying bag appears to be durable, and I like the thickness of the shoulder strap. I find the dimmable light bright enough to light a small space. Even in complete darkness, I gave it a try and it worked pretty well. I'm very happy with the way it turned out. The white and orange filter set was difficult to apply. I wish there was a number system for placement. I think that would make it much easier. Each piece has an end that fits over or under to lock into place, and fitting them proved to be quite cumbersome. I was quite tired at the end, actually. I think the stand could be more sturdy, just a tad, because I'm worried the entire unit may tip over easily. I believe that if the bottom were heavier, it might help to secure everything down to the floor, if you know what I mean. The smartphone holder was very difficult to place my phone into. I currently have an iOS 11, so it's wide. It's like a plus version of the iPhones. So stretching was not a good move for this holder. I can easily fit my iOS 8 into it, but I just want you to take that into consideration. That is listed on the description of the kit, but I want you to pay attention because it is going to be a bit of a task to get that done. But it does work. It works. An interesting thing about the overall stand is that there's a flexible part at the top near the light, which allows you to bend it in various directions. So I love that feature. So this is just me turning the dial, the dimmer on the ring light, just to show you how bright it can get. And I filmed this in almost total darkness in my room. I have a blackout curtain, so it was almost totally dark when I did this, and I really love the brightness of this light and the fact that it can be dimmed down so low. So that's the dimmer, the back of the ring light, the phone holder. I haven't tried the white filter yet, so I will try it later on, and I will leave my comments in the description bar below. I had planned to film a full setup, however I lost some of the footage, and then I also lost the screw, which I had to find in this little clip here. I thought it was so funny, but I think I will post that video later on. So please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching so much. I'm looking forward to seeing you again. Goodbye.